a polar molecule. Water dissolves other polar molecules. Oil does not dissolve in water. June. It is a non-polar molecule. So water will only dissolve polar molecules, and if you don't dissolve in water like oil, then you're a non-polar molecule. A solution is made up of something dissolving in something else. Margot, the material that is being dissolved is known as the Five, 4, 3, 2. It is not the solvent. What is it, Nikki? The material being dissolved is the... Nikki, if it's not the solvent, what would it be? This test is not going to be a happy test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The solute. Now, in a solution, Gab, if there are more hydrogen ions than hydroxide ions, would you call the solution acidic or basic? You would call it, that would be wrong. You would call it acidic. More hydrogen ions means acidic. The range for the pH scale for materials that are acidic goes from what to what? No, I'm sorry. The range for things that are acidic, we're up to Maddie, goes from, excuse me? No. Goes from 0 up to, but not including 7. 0, not up to, but not, well, it can be 6.999. Okay. Now, this side, the strongest base would have a pH of what? Of 14. Good. We used materials the other day. Janie, this is for you. We used materials the other day that only showed a color change when they hit a specific substance that they were designed to cause a color change. So Benedict's solution turned color with sugar, and Biuret turned color with protein, and Lugol turned black with starch, and phenolphthalein turned bright pink with a base. What do we call materials that are designed to change color on contact with a very specific material? Benedict, Biuret, Lugols. These are all examples of indicators. Audra. Oh, and Jack didn't go yet, so before we go back to Sam, you thought I was going to miss you, but it's not happening. What happened? The test will be like the last one. Some fill in the blank, some multiple choice, some word bank. Why, would you study differently if I told you I did that? No. I haven't made it up yet, so I don't know. Audra, with some exception, compounds that contain carbon are called There were 4 categories of them. No, it's not. It's not working. Organic compounds. Good girl. So, compounds that contain carbon, with some exceptions, are called organic compounds. There are 4 categories of organic compounds. Janie? Carbohydrates is one. Oh, no. These are questions. Okay. Janie, you were the next person anyway, or was it Maddie? It was Teddy? Okay, so I will take those 2 points away, and I will. Carbohydrates is one. I'm not, but I'll give the question to Teddy. Teddy, Janie mentioned lipids. This is not good, is it? That is really not good. That one. Okay. So, Teddy, the main reason for lipids to be in living things is that they do what? And what? Well, if you have a moving part, you have to oil it. So what's the word? Lubricate and insulate, and the other one is for energy. An example of lipids would be and yep, fats, oils, and waxes. Okay, Joseph. In addition to carbohydrates and lipids, the category of organic compounds involved with genetics, heredity, are the nucleic acids, and there are only 2 types of nucleic acids, and those are you have no idea what's involved in genetics or heredity, the 2 major molecules? Call team. That's a compound? I think so. I think even though it's going to be a beautiful day in the 70s on Sunday, I think you need to study that. Dylan. The category of organic compounds, that's the concrete, the stuff that living things are made out of. Are the proteins,